Come on, let's go. Gotta do a squirt. Gotta do a squirt. Alright guys, on this job here, I've worked for this lady before. She's kind of like handicapped, diabetes or whatever, older lady. And she's got an old boiler. She's complaining about it making noise. I mean, it's really old. But she just don't have the money to put a new one in. So I easily go over there and try to fix it the best I can for her to keep her heat going. So we're almost there now, and we'll see. She's complaining about noise, so maybe it's a circulator or something, or transformer or something. I do the service. I do the burner service on this thing for her. Kind of feel sorry for her. She's an older lady. She's a nice lady. She just, you know, don't have the money. She's not doing well, so see if we can fix it. Let's see what's going on with it. I come over here a couple of times in the winter, and I mean, I had a shovel to the flipping door to even get there. She doesn't have anybody to take care of her stuff for her in the wintertime. This just gets like snowed in. I have to shovel to get to it. Pretty bad. All right, let's go see what's going on with it. You said you hear it in here when you...
Alexa, stop!
Who's that?
Here, Howie. I'm going to turn it on.
You can hear it?
Yeah.
It's on.
Hear it? That whine, that whining.
The whining?
That whining, that's new.
No lights down here, that's it?
That should go on. It takes a few minutes. Try the other side. Over there, underneath the thing. Right there.
Where?
No, right there. Straight ahead.
Oh, okay.
Did it go on? You got it?
Not really. Whatever, I got a light. Could be air in there. I'll see. It might be air in the pump. Got an overhead line. Got a little whine, huh?
Huh?
It's got a little whine. Yeah, it was just here. It wasn't here long ago. Alright, let me see what I could do with it. Might have some air in the pump.
And also, is it supposed to, it's supposed to take a long time before the damn cold water comes, the hot water comes?
Well, yeah, when you first turn it on, if you haven't used it in a while, let me see, what's it set at here? Yeah, it's set where it needs to be.
It is?
Yeah, when you first turn your hot water on, you got to get all the dead water out of the line until you get the hot water from the tank here, you know? That's how it is.
I may be just a little stupid then, but it seems that...
It's not instant. You turn on the water, it's not instant. You got to, you know, the water's been sitting in the pipes all day. You got to get all that water out. It's not hot.
Yes.
The hot water's in the tank.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So when you wake up in the morning, you turn the hot water on, it's going to take a couple of gallons to get the half a gallon or so to get the water till it starts getting warm.
Okay.
It's not instant.
Okay.
All right, let me get my tools. Almost me like pump whining, so we'll see if there's anything. Maybe I need to bleed it. Try that first. See if there's any air in the line. It's an overhead line, so. So it won't shut off on me. I'm getting a good flow there, that's not the issue. We'll try putting a new nozzle on there. We'll see what's going on with the nozzle. Be the pump or the motor. Be a bad motor. I'll try to put some oil on it and see what happens. Hello. Hello, can I help you? It is. See the jumper on there? See the jumper? It won't start with a jumper on there. Sounds like the pump. Sounds like a bad pump. You're still making the noise, Brenda?
Yeah.
It's this pump. Put a new pump in there. Put a new pump. We'll try changing the nozzle first. Might have some used pumps. I'll give her a used pump. Try the nozzle first and see. That don't do it. Probably a pump. Sounds like pump wine to me. We'll try tried changing the nozzle first, just for shits and giggles. But I'm thinking it's one of the, it's probably the pump. I'm thinking it's the pump that's bad. Getting plenty of flow through it, so that shouldn't be an issue. It's fine. Try that first. That pump looks very old to me. Try it again. It's still getting that whine. Could be the motor. It'll oil it. I would think it's the pump. Let's try putting the pump in it. I think I got used pumps in here. I'll give her a used one. She ain't got a lot of money. I think I got a used one in here. There we go. Well, it's two-stage. I don't want to give her that one. Might not have any used ones in here. Got a Webster. Thing will pump like crazy. This thing will pump like crazy. Put that Webster in there. That thing will pump like crazy. Maybe we could put that one in there. She ain't got the money, so there's nothing wrong with a Webster. Try that. Put the Webster in there. It's a good pump. I had to run an overhead line because it was in the concrete, so we'll change that pump out for her. I think it's the pump, but we'll find out. Find out right now. This whole thing's flipping loose. Could be the motor too. I'll try the pump first. The Websters, the only thing with them is they don't have a filter. This one's got a filter in it, but I don't think that's the issue because it was got a good flow. Not a big deal to change the pump out. I know the coupling's fine because I have changed the coupling in the past. These couplings are new. Coupling's new. It's got to be the right RPMs. This is a 1340 RPM, so it's the right RPMs. Had this pump in the truck for a while. Sometimes I'll do is I'll save the old stuff, and sometimes people ain't got the money. I'll put an old part in there for them. Keep them going. Nothing wrong with that. And if it's not the pump, then it's got to be the motor. I'm thinking it's the pump. Sounds like pump wine to me, but I might be wrong, y'all. I might be wrong, y'all. There it goes. So you gotta make sure you get it started right, or cross-thread it, you're screwed. Oh, that's an old pump, man.
There's so much I just have to get it, you know? I can give it to somebody. Yeah. Because I just don't want to chance it at home. I'm gonna get it. Right. Hey, if you get off the road, you got those gummies? Yeah.
This one's gonna be blood from the top here. A little different. That'll be blood like that. I gotta turn the tank on and we'll try it again. Go turn the tank on. Alright guys, let's see if we can bleed this thing and see how it runs. Try it again. That's sounding a lot better. I had to reset the motor over here. The little reset tripped out. That thing's been sitting in the truck, you know, it should be alright now. Yeah, it definitely was the pump. Hey Brenda, is that better?
Yeah, a hell of a lot.
Alright, so the boss says that that's better, so she lives here, she should know. I got some furnace cement here for a piece of shingle. I gotta seal it out there. You can see it's kind of broken. But anyway, so what's up? You need me to go over there and do some stuff? When you gonna be home? When you gonna be home? Yeah, I can barely hear you. When you gonna be home? Friday morning. I might have time Friday. I'd have to look at my schedule. You're gonna be around Friday, you said? What do you consider morning? Yeah, I could do is I could probably give you a call. Yeah, well, let's do it another day if you're in a big rush. Do it another day. Yeah, I think we're better off scheduling it the following week sometime because, you know, I already got stuff scheduled for Friday and I already got stuff I need to do. And you're already telling me you want me to do it within a certain time frame and I don't have the time frame. So let's do it the week after. When do you want to do it after the week after? Do you want to call me back when you... Friday morning? Okay, yeah, no, I could do it for sure then. Not this Friday, but next Friday. And I'll call you first thing in the morning. Alright guys, you can see this stuff's all dried out. The color must have been on there. So that's all junk. But I'll probably get another one in the truck anyway. I just put the furnace cement in there. Because this thing is just on legs. You see, it's just kind of stuck in there. It's not the greatest setup, but... doesn't sound like it's any more pump whine, so when I first put that pump in, the motor tripped out. The motor's old too, but what are you gonna do? I should probably replace the motor too, but we'll just change the motor. I've oiled it, and let me just pick up this mess and I'll get her a bill and I'll get out of here, go to my next job. Okay, she's running. Well, it was. The pump was bad. Like I said, she's an elderly lady with no money, so just changing what I have to do for her. Keep the bill low. Lower the motor. Pretty slow pump. Last time I was here, I put in a new nozzle filter, seal burner tube. I did that last time I was here too. So last time, and then the motor coupling was bad. I replaced the motor coupling. It's disintegrated, and I've been coming doing cleanings. Been coming in since '09, I guess. 0010 circulator right into the chimney out the back. Oh, beast. Look at the high limit to strap on. It's an old American Standard, y'all. She's got gas in the house. She's got a gas water heater here. I don't know why. If it was me, I'd switch over. They used to have an old stack switch in there. Look at that shit. She's running pretty clean for an old beast. The old tankless. Low pressure, low temperature control. That's an old one, man. Old circulator. I think that's a circulator control there. This is the low control. This used to be the high limit, but then they put the strap on there. Got an expansion tank up top there. Look at the feeder. Combination relief valve feeder. Look at the relief valve. Will blow right out the side. Yeehaw. That tank's due to be drained too, but it's running. That's it, I'm out of here.